Hello everyone, in this video I'm gonna show you how to create YouTube thumbnails using Gemini AI. In just a few seconds, let us get started. First, you need to open the Gemini AI tool that supports image generation. Once you are inside, the process becomes very simple and fast. The first step is to type a clear description of your video and thumbnail idea. For example, you can write, create a professional YouTube thumbnail for a video about AI tool and content creation. Once you send it, Gemini will generate a detailed prompt or even direct image idea based on your input. Next, you can refine the result by adjusting the text style or emotion you want in the thumbnail. For example, you can say, make it more dramatic or add bold text saying AI secrets revealed. If your tool allows image generation, you can also upload your photo and ask Gemini to place it into the thumbnail design. From there, Gemini will create a clean, professional, and attention-grabbing thumbnail in a second. You can also experiment with different styles like gaming thumbnail, tech thumbnail, or travel content thumbnail just by changing your prompt. This makes it's super easy to create viral looking thumbnail without needing Photoshop or advanced design skills. And that is how you can create a powerful YouTube thumbnail using Gemini AI in just a few simple steps. If you found this helpful, don't forget to like the video and subscribe. I will see you in the next video.